Hey guys, welcome back to The Coast. For today's video, I'm going to be doing my first ever review on crochet hair, Lavon style, okay? That means I am going to be giving you guys a week by week review, or at least I tried. So as you'll see in the video, I did attempt to give a week by week review, however, it didn't go as planned. I'll tell you guys how I feel about the hair in the video. I don't want to give away too much. We're just gonna go ahead and get started. Don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe. Let's talk in the comment sections below. Everything that you'll see in this video will be linked down below for you as well, including the Lavon video where I did get inspired for this specific crochet style. All right, guys, see you on the other side. Okay, guys, so this is the hair on technically day one. I finished my hair at midnight. No, I finished my hair at 2 a.m. I started at 9:23. I took a 30-minute break in between and I finished at 2 o'clock on the dot exactly. I used 4 packs of the Freetress hair and I used a crochet needle to achieve the look. Today I actually wore it out. I went to the beach. I did fix my edges a little bit. It is messy because I did have this on through the whole day. I did not wear my bonnet all day. So when I woke up this morning, I took my bonnet off and had it out the whole day, just so I could see like the wearability of it, not protecting it, not covering it up, not having it wrapped up or nothing, just to see how it's gonna look by the end of the day. And this is the look. Also, what I would like to point out is when I first finished the hair, I really was disappointed because I thought it was very ugly, honestly, and I wanted to kind of like, I was upset because I was like, you know what, these YouTubers like really be lying. But the next day I woke up and I did my baby hairs or whatever, and then I realized, you know what, it was probably because I needed to layer the hair because it was just laying flat and dead. So what I did end up doing was I grabbed my scissors. No, I'm not a professional, so don't be like, girl, this ain't layered. But I did what I could and I didn't want to like do too much, so I did what I could. I went on this side, and what I did was I sectioned it off. I grabbed like a piece like this, and then I was like, okay, this part I'm going to leave as is, and I pushed it back. And then the second part I grabbed and I said, okay, this side I was like, okay, I'm gonna cut it a little bit shorter than the back end. So as you can see, it is slightly, let me get it to focus, it's slightly shorter than this back piece. And then this front piece is slightly shorter than that. And so that's how I pretty much layered it. And then I did the same thing to the other side. But yeah, so what I ended up doing was the back, I did just a regular crocheting. I did 4 to 5 knots because I was just playing no games. And then towards the front, like here, I did the invisible method. So I have 10 braids in, and also my braids are very old. They're not very old, they're like a week and 2 days old. My hair gets really frizzy fast. So when I did the crochets, it actually in my opinion, I actually like the way it looks because it looks so old. It makes it blend in a little bit more. But yeah, this hair, in all honesty, I'm gonna be 100% real with y'all. When I first put it in, I just was like, why? I don't know what I thought the texture was gonna be, but it was just like so hard to kind of just put it into a ponytail. That was just the most annoying part to me. I'm like, damn, I can't even put this thing in a ponytail without it sticking all over the place. It was a little messy for me. But the next day, as I mentioned, is when I actually styled it. The next day is when I actually did the cutting. So once I did that, I was able to kind of run my fingers through a little bit, and I was a little more comfortable with playing with it. It is, I will be honest, it's synthetic hair, so it is going to get stuck in your fingers. It's going to get stuck in places. And this is officially the first day, and it's already pretty like fuzzy in my opinion. However, it is synthetic hair, so what was I expecting? I didn't expect it to be this messy though, I'm not gonna lie. Only because of the way it was reviewed by one of my favorites. I thought it was gonna be a little bit more, I thought it was gonna be just a little bit more manageable. But we will see how this goes throughout the week. It's not terrible, it is hot. And like I said, I used 4 packs. exactly. I didn't use not one extra strand from the 5th pack. I did buy 5 packs. I'll link down below the website where I got mine from. But yeah, I didn't have to use 5 packs. I actually had one little string of hair left from the 4th pack, which I'll probably try to find a way to put some in here. I did see that it's supposed to get fluffier and bigger with time, so we'll see. I actually like my hair big and fluffy, so I'm actually excited about that. But yeah, we'll definitely see how this hair holds up. Already so far, it's not, I'm gonna be honest, it's not like, I'm gonna keep it real with y'all, it's not giving what I thought it was going to give. I'm just saying. So yeah, this is day 1. So we'll see how this goes, how long I'll keep it in my hair. I'm one of those type of people who don't like to keep weave or wigs or whatever in my hair long because I always miss my hair. But I thought, I was like, you know what, let me give this a go. Let's see how it goes, because it's actually a really pretty texture. It's really close to, I think, my hair texture, except for it's just longer. So we'll see how this goes, and I'll check back in with you guys by the end of the week if I still have it in. If I don't have it in, I'll still check back in, and I'll let y'all know why I don't have it in. And I'll also let you guys see before I take it out how it's looking, so you guys won't be like, oh, she tripping, you know. I'm gonna let y'all see everything, I promise you guys. So this is definitely gonna be a different type of review. I'm gonna let y'all see it all, okay? See you guys in a week. All right, y'all, it is officially the end of week 1. This is how the hair is looking week 1. I did have my hesitation with the hair at first. Y'all seen me that first day. So, okay, by the way, baby girl's down here. So if y'all hear anything, you know, just ignore her. I really did not expect the hair to look this good. What I did expect was for it to be a lot more matted than it actually is. And I think after that first initial day, I'm looking at, you know, what you guys are looking at here, and this is exactly how it looks. I think the fuzziness and everything of it all, it's not as bad after the first week. And maybe it's because I learned how to manage it, but I feel like it looks much better. It looks so cute. I got so many compliments. Now, I go to work twice a week, and so the rest of the week I am home. So I do keep my hair in a bonnet. The first night I could not find my bonnet, so I did wrap my hair up with a cotton head wrap, and I went to bed. And I was like, oh my God, my hair gonna look crazy. It did not, it was perfectly fine. The next couple of nights I wore throughout the day my hair in a satin bonnet all day, every day. I put it in a ponytail and I put the satin bonnet on, and I was just doing my thing. Didn't do my edges, I didn't do nothing, I just was whatever. Throughout the week, when I had to go to work, I did have to like cut out some like very, very fuzzy pieces. You're gonna get that. And I think that is how a lot of the people who've already done reviews on this hair, why they ended up with shorter hair throughout the video. But I haven't cut it since. I think I should probably do some trimming here and there, but I haven't done anything. I haven't put any moisturizer. See, it does this, it'll get stuck to your necklace or whatever. If you have anything that can clean, it will clean. Yeah, it's just as long as the first day that I got it. I didn't do any trimming except for the original layering that I did. But besides that, like some of the extra fuzziness, and that was it. It's the same length, it's the same curl pattern. I didn't add any mousse. I didn't add any moisturizer. I didn't even grease my scalp. I will be doing that today. After I film this video, I will be doing that. Then next week, I'll show you guys how my hair is looking. But so far, I think for the week, it's doing great. And it looks so good. Look, if I pull it back like this, you can't really see. I did have some, I don't want to say leave out, but I did have some leave out, which I ended up just kind of, and it wasn't leave out. It was really because my braids were old. So I was able to kind of just use that as my baby hair. So I'm going to show you guys really quickly the length of the hair, how I have it. And most days when I do go to work, I'm not going to lie, I do wear it in a ponytail. Like I pull it back and I pull in a ponytail like this. And that's it. Wear my earrings and blah, blah, blah. And everybody's at work was like, oh my God, your hair's so pretty, it looks so good. Blah, blah, blah. It's like, how did you do it? I'm like, my little secret. But no, yeah, so this is the length of the hair. I'm gonna show you guys really quickly. Boom, boom, boom. So it's pretty much up to my boob level. And yeah, this is it after week 1. I think by the time the weeks, or like by the time I'm done wearing this hair, it's gonna be a lot shorter. I'm not sure. We'll see how that goes. Anyways, yeah, that's it for this week, and then I'll see you guys next week with another update. Alright guys, so this is going to be the last week that I'm wearing this hair. I am absolutely in love with it. I'm going to be honest with you guys, when I did see Leah Lavon post the hair, I was a little skeptical, mainly because she said she washed it, and she did use a little bit of product towards the end of her wear, but that was it. For me, however, I did not use any product. Neither did I wash my hair. So this is just raw and just how it is. Like, the hair is just the way it is, and that's it. I did nothing to it. The only thing that I did do, however, to maintain it was I did cut it from time to time. As you can see, it's a lot shorter than it was when I had originally installed it. It was a lot longer. And so what I had to do was, from time to time, I would just, when I would wake up and it was looking a little straggly and crazy, I would just go in and just like cut pieces of like the fuzzy parts and whatnot. That was something that I did do to maintain it. Besides that, all I would do was wake up, do my baby hairs, go about my day. To go to bed, scrunchie on, I put my bonnet on, my silk bonnet, and then that was it. For like, I think for like a week, I did not sleep with a bonnet because I couldn't find my bonnet. But besides that, I didn't do anything to the hair. I do regret the fact that I wasn't able to give you guys the week by week the way I wanted to. Life happens. I will say 2 times for Leah Lavon, because she don't play that. She come in, she give us week by week, by week by week, and she don't play. I definitely, you know, big ups to her, because I fucking do it. I don't even work. I do work, but I don't work, you know? So I just was like, Anyhow, like I said, I do want to recommend this hair to you guys because I think it was amazing. I will check this out, do a deep deep wash of my hair, and then I might do it again because I love the way that it looked. It was very low maintenance and it was easy to install, to be honest with you. Either I might do this style again or I might do a different. Or I might do a different crochet style. Anyways, you guys let me know how you like this style. If you want me to try anything else out, please feel free, leave that in the comments. I will do my best to get to them. Remember, I'm not sponsored, so it is a little bit, it takes me some time to actually get the product or even to purchase the product. But if you guys really want to see something, leave it in the comments below. I'll do my best to try it out, and then I'll make my video for you guys, okay? Anyways, this is my official review. I love the hair. It's amazing. I do recommend it. If you're not a synthetic lover, don't do it. However, if you don't have a specific like preference, it's all you. Do it. That's about it. I'll see you guys next time. Oh, don't forget to like. Don't forget to subscribe to this video. And subscribe, guys. Like, let me know that you guys are here and you're watching and you're interested. Give me some encouragement to keep doing videos. It's fun. I enjoy it. But if you guys don't like the content, it's kind of like pointless. So let me know if you like what you see, or if you want me to do something else. I'll definitely consider the things that you guys want to see, because obviously I'm doing this for you. Well, not really for you. I'm doing this for me, but yeah, my audience says yeah. Anyways, guys, see you guys next time here at the coast. Guys, I know I said that was the last video, but look what I did. Look at what I did. So I didn't have a chance to take out the hair and I had to go to work. So I was like, you know what? Let me clean it up a little bit. I started cutting and I couldn't stop cutting. I ended up doing like one big chop and I was like, oh my God. No, I had no choice but to keep cutting. So I kept cutting. It was actually a little bit longer than this. I do have a video like that I did on Snapchat that I might be able to insert here somewhere. But this today I actually was like, oh my gosh, I have to go to work again. The hairstyle is so easy. Like, you wake up and you shake. It's so easy and convenient that I literally do not want to take the hair out. Like, and I feel like every time I cut it, it becomes a whole new hairstyle. You see how loose it is and how free? It's just like, it's just crazy. No? No? Okay. I will say my total review of this hair is going to be a 10 out of 10. Yes, a 10 out, no, I take it back. A 9 out of 10. Only because it is a little messy. And not to say that it's messy as far as the look of the hair, but I mean, if you have on earrings, if you have on a jacket, if the hair's longer, it will get caught up in those things. Necklaces, everything. But besides that, this hair would have gotten a 10 out of 10. It's amazing. It's versatile. The wear is nice, and it looks better as you wear it. The more you have it in, the better it looks, at least in my opinion. And so that's it. I didn't have any method when cutting the hair. I just chop, and I was like, oh my God, it looks crazy. But it looks good. It actually really looks good. Anyways, that's it. This definitely has been a success, and I'll see you guys next time here at the coast.